This video is going to help you with the assignment that we were talking about in class today for migration and trade. And in week 11 last week, you read about migration and trade, and in class we talked about migration and trade and did a compare and contrast activity. To help you out with that, if you are interested in extending your understanding of the two groups that we compared and contrasted, the Bedouins in the Arabian Peninsula and the Tuareg in North Africa, you may have noticed that there was a presentation link, and in that presentation link for that lesson there were links to a few videos. So first, I just wanted to call your attention to this video and this video. These two videos kind of give you a better understanding, a visual understanding of what a souk looks like. And the souk is a small market, kind of like a farmer's market. It's common throughout North Africa. And it's highlighted in several pages of the text. So these videos are about what you would find if you went to visit Morocco, and especially Rabat, Morocco. But the videos show the souk in this town in Morocco, so you get an idea of what it's like. What kinds of things would you find at a souk? The other videos, these are the ones that are related more toward the lesson we did today in class on the Tuareg and the Bedouins. There's a video on the Bedouins of Petra, and in class I showed a clip of this video. But this is an extended video about the people of Petra. And it's very interesting to kind of get a sense of what people's lives are like and how they're similar and different to our lives. This video doesn't have any sound, but it shows images of the Tuareg people and of life in North Africa. So it kind of gives you a sense of, if you were to visit there, what would it look like? But there's no narrative. It's very short. It's about 6 minutes. This video is the one that we watched in class, and again, it's very short, but it shows the journey that salt miners take from the salt mines north of Timbuktu in Mali, and their journey across the desert to the market where they sell these basically slabs of salt. So I wanted to point those videos out if you wanted to extend your understanding of the Tuareg and the Bedouins, and to really sort of fill out that knowledge. I also wanted to show you Google Earth. Here's Google Earth, and you can see this is the region we're talking about, Southwest Asia here, and North Africa. And the two places that they talk about, I showed in class, but I also wanted to make sure that you saw where they are. And you can go to Google Earth and find this yourself. The one place where the Bedouins lived, that group of Bedouins, is in Jordan. That's where Petra is, and you can see where it's located. And this is these sort of cool buildings that are carved right into the walls. So cool to see. The other location, the other people, this is where the Bedouins live. And the other is Timbuktu. And Timbuktu is in Mali, but it's a very old city in North Africa. And it's a historic place that people have written about for centuries. It used to be the center of great learning and culture in Africa when the Dark Ages or the Middle Ages were what was happening in Europe, and there wasn't really much going on in Europe, but Africa was flourishing with its knowledge and its libraries, and Timbuktu was a center of civilization, really, in that time period. And this is where the salt traders in the little video were headed to sell their salt. So I want to just point those two things out to you as well for your information. Hope it helps.